Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's here with Tenra Coin and my best friend Pranchu Murarka. Ow! I got disconnected from the server. Hey bro, Pranchu, tell the code please.
The code is FJICFF.
FJICFF. Okay, so
So
we
friends,
are going
subscribe
to
to my
play
channel
the
Souls
game
Origin.
Among Us today,
I also have a
which
YouTube channel
Pranchu Murarka.
named
Hope you
Souls
like it,
Origin.
guys. Hope you like it. My best friend playing with him. Yeah, it'll be fun, guys. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe.
So guys, subscribe to my channel Souls Origin.
Hey,
Subscribe to my channel
don't even
Souls
mention your
Origin.
name.
Yeah,
Don't
I
even
also have a
mention.
YouTube channel.
Don't
Subscribe
it's okay. Subscribe to
as well as
Soul's
subscribe to
Origin.
Tendra
Subscribe
Coin.
to Soul's
As
Origin,
well as
guys.
Tendra Coin boys. Subscribe to
Subscribe.
Tendra Coin also.
Yeah, subscribe to Soul's Origin too, cause he's my best friend, and obviously, why won't you subscribe to his awesome content? Anyway, come on. Can you make this public again so that other people may join, Pranchu? Yeah, whatever you're doing.
I'm here, kids.
Thinking. People will leave the game, then you'll be dead. Can you see the start button, Pranchu? Can you see the start active?
Yes, I can see.
Just press start.
Okay. You know, I am playing from phone and you are from PC.
Yes.
Wait. Let
Okay,
Rome join.
six people have joined. Pranchu, six people have joined.
Yes, people are joining because there are 6 people now. So and 3 imposter game now.
Let's get the 10. Let's get maximum 10. I mean, that's the amount we could get, right? Cranberry, stay in one place. Let's be in behind the box. Yo, guys, eight people.
Only one more man, one more. Okay, now I'm starting my game. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Brother Omar could also play, guys. Oh man, that would have been cool. It's okay, bro. You can keep the phone here. Okay, next game you will play, okay, my brother Omar? The game already started. It's alright. Oh no, he's crying. Anyway, the game is starting, guys. So let's go.
Oh, the purple is imposter. Purple is imposter, man. Purple is imposter.
How?
Purple killed me.
How?
Purple killed me.
Purple killed
man,
you?
Purple killed me.
What?
Right. Purple in the chat.
Okay.
Turbo Tendra, right? Purple in the chat. Purple imposter, please write it fast.
So shall we go? So in the emergency meeting, we will unmute ourselves. Pranchu, can you see? Purple. Hello?
I am telling you, the purple one is the imposter.
I'm voting purple and purple left the game. Wait, no,
he's in the game.
Blue left
he's in the game.
Blue left the game. Sorry.
That Mr. Purple is imposter.
Okay, I voted purple. I even told in chat that purple is. Okay, I voted. No one will say anything. This is like very sus activity. Ranchu, I'm muting myself.
Okay.
Okay. How do I get out of this full screen mode that always activates? I did that, right? F11, get me out of here. Help me, I'm stuck in full screen mode. Okay. Vote blue. Everyone is saying vote blue, but blue is dead.
No, purple wasn't.
Okay, yes. TAEHYUNG, whatever his name is, being ejected.
Yes, he was the imposter. Now I'm going on. Let's see who is the imposter.
Pranchu.
Oh, I think so.
Do you want to know something? Pranchu, do you want to know something? I'm the imposter.
I will kill everyone. No, I should do my task now. I should do my tasks.
Wait, you can do tasks dead. Yeah, I remember. You can do your task when you're dead also, right?
Okay, now it is one task and done. Now it is the upper engine. Oh, I have this going on 1 second. Okay, one more task complete. Now the last task is in
professional task man. Pranchu, you're a professional task man.
The con estimated 42% complete. Mm, do it fast. Okay.
Okay, I'm in
So
the
now
open
my
game. Pranchu, just see if there's any.
headquarters, man. I have to upload to the headquarters.
What? Upload? Report, right? Where is everyone? Where is everyone? I'm scared.
Okay, all the tasks
Oh no!
complete.
Oh no! Oh no,
Option
guys,
completing,
guys!
option completing, man.
Guys,
I can't
Pranchu,
do
Pranchu,
anything.
Pranchu, do something! Do
Go
something!
on, everyone. Right.
Help!
यार ओए ओए somebody is the imposter हो somebody is the imposter what
Where?
brown is the imposter brown is the imposter brown is the imposter man brown is the imposter
Okay.
brown is the imposter
Let's vote Brown out then, Pranchu. I voted Brown.
अरे यार write in the chat that brown
He's
is the very good
He's written my name. Pranchu, he wrote my name.
okay no problem he's the imposter
What? What?
he killed everyone what Ayan
Victory! Yes. Play again. Play again. Play again. Yes, man. Uma, join the code. Join the code.
server
Pranchu, I'm sorry, yaar. I won't do it again.
server.
Pranchu, I'm sorry.
अरे what I left the game
What?
yeah
You left the game. Now it's written waiting for host. You're the host, right? I can't even
First, tell the link.
Please cry. Okay, not cry, but oh, man. This is fun. This is fun. This is
Tell the link.
about to fall out of my eyes. Help me! I
Tell
don't know how to get out of full screen mode, guys. I'm dead. Help me,
Tell
guys.
the link.
Help me.
Tell the link of the game.
Pranchu, it's written could not find the game you're looking for.
Yeah, I'm getting one more game. Yeah, this is.
What? Really?
I'm creating one more game.
Yes.
Yes. Write it.
Guys,
AYB,
just a few.
AYB right now. AYB
Oh my
TGF.
God. What is happening? I
AYB
can't believe this was.
Please tell your code right now.
AYB TGF.
AY, what? Wait, tell it.
AYB B for ball. AYB
AYB
TGF.
EGF. Hello?
Yes, TGF.
TGF.
Yes, TGF.
What? AYB?
TGF. AYB TGF, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's AYB TGF, Uma. Join.
AYB TGF.
Okay, did my brother join? What's his name?
Turbo Tendra.
What's your name, bro? Oh wait,
Turbo Tendra.
my brother's name is Carrot. What's your name, bro?
What, Carrot? Carrot is his name? Achha, yeah, I can see it. Oh,
What are you doing?
he's looking at the real carrot, man. He's looking at the real carrot.
That's not my brother. That's not my brother. Wait. Wait, Pranchu,
See.
start the game. Don't start the game.
Okay. There are 9 people.
I, then B, T, G, F.
Carrot.
Right?
Don't start.
Yes. Array.
Okay, start the game, Pranchu. Start the
Array.
game. Flonitech. His name is Flonitech.
Who are the 3, man? I can see only 2, the carrot and the turbo tendra, and the third one I don't know who is that.
Flonitech. It's Flonitech. There are 3
And-
imposters among us. Pranchu, what have you done? There are 3 imposters.
Imposter.
I'm scared. I think you're the imposter, Pranchu. I can't trust you. What's your name? Cranberry.
Imposter.
You.
Cranberry imposter.
Say imposter. Oh God. I'm just doing my fellow duty tasks. I don't care what else is happening. I'm just doing tasks. Help! Reactor normal. Pranchu, where are you?
I am in security, man. I am in
You
security.
not. You not.
Oh, someone will come in security. Turbo tendra. I will kill you.
Black killed someone. Pranshu, black killed someone. Pranshu, yaar. Play again. Hello?
Yes, I'm playing again. There are 4 people joined, 5th one.
Just
Yeah,
see for
so
Turbo Tenra. Look for Turbo Tenra.
Carrot. Ooh, Carrot left. Ayan, Carrot left. Omar left.
No, Omar is not Carrot. Omar is, what are you, Omar? He's Flonitech. Flonitech.
And I'm red.
Now I am Carrot. See.
You are Carrot? First of all, I cannot see you anywhere. You are you are Carrot.
No, I'm looking like a carrot.
My official, my lucky cap and my green color. My lime green color, guys. My lime green color, I'm the best. Because I'm lime green. Hello, Pranju? Can you allow me to go green? Lime green? Please?
N-O.
What? Cranberry, please. Cranberry, please.
No,
Forgive me.
I
It's my favorite color. Okay, wait.
take it.
Pranju, start again. Oh, no.
Abey,
Start again.
I'm starting.
Start again.
No, you're not starting off. Yaar.
Okay. Where are you, bro? I
I
don't
am
trust
the
my
imposter,
Omar is
man.
not telling me.
Come
Omar,
near me.
I don't trust Omar. I heard some sort of silly sound from his phone. Wait, did I hear a
What?
killing sound?
No, it's the
Pranju?
imposter, man. Wait, Flo. Omar is the imposter.
Wait, somebody killed me.
Are blue. Omar was the imposter.
Omar killed me. Guys, I can't believe I am betrayed by my
He
brother.
killed me
Pranju,
also, yaar. He
let
killed
10
me
people
also.
join. Now let 10 people join. Make it tough for all the imposters in this game. Pranju, yaar, you should have made 2 imposters.
Omar.
This is so tough.
Ayan,
What?
you left the game. Take
No.
the code. AYBTGF. AYBTGF.
No, Pranju, I didn't leave the game. I pressed play again. I'm bored. I'm seriously bored. My brother is
Log-
Can
This
you see?
Logitech is
Guys, Pranju? Pranju?
let me be carrot.
Cranberry.
Okay.
First of all, you are a
People-
juicy cranberry, okay? That's I can tell you for sure. Juicy.
Wait, now 7 people are in the game. Now 8 and 9 and 10 are... Okay, 8, 9 and 10 starting in 5, 4, 3... Arey yaar, someone left. No problem. 4, 3, 2, 1 and please don't leave anybody.
Why does it
Now
take so
it's
much
correct.
time?
Okay, there are 3 imposters among us. So guys, there are 3 imposters.
I do not trust my brother again. And I do not trust anyone.
Imposter.
I do not trust anyone. Run! Somebody is behind me. Wait, what? Turbo. I didn't know, Pranchu. It's orange.
Where
Oh, wait,
are
you are orange. Pranchu, black is it? That black is. Okay, Omar reported black. Black is the imposter. Pranchu, vote for black. Vote for black.
I've written black.
Me too. Write black together. Pranchu, write black. Type black again.
I have also written black, man.
Okay, black.
Black was the imposter. Was an imposter. Very good.
Yes, black is an imposter. Yes, yeah. Let's run. Run quick. Pranchu, cranberry.
All the gates are closed, man. All the gates are closed. Someone will kill us.
Oh no, we are.
Oh man.
Pranchu, help me.
Okay.
Pranchu.
Purple imposter, man. Purple is the imposter.
Purple. This is so.
Purple is the imposter.
Just
Purple in the chat, right? Purple in the chat.
My phone is 10%.
Right.
Imposter.
Yes, purple is the imposter. Purple is the imposter. Very good.
What did I do?
Procedure.
See, guys.
Purple is the imposter.
Bye. Yes.
What?
One imposter
Yes.
remains. Pranchu, one imposter remains. This is so intense. This has to be the most
But kill
intense
me.
Among Us game, guys.
Now I have to do my task.
Guys,
Now
I
I am
have
doing
to
my
make a
task.
hack. No! Pranchu
Do
head
it.
got stuck again.
Did my
Why? I'm
task.
stuck in some stupid door. Pranchu, help me out of here.
I am doing my task. I don't know anything. I think so. All the
just-
tasks
I
are
just
done
want
at
to-
my end. I think so. All the tasks are done at my end.
At your end. My end has a lot of tasks left. Like
I know.
electrical. Pranchu have electrical and all. Okay. Let me do something.
Oh, this blue is the imposter.
Dead body
Who's
My
the imposter?
dead body.
He
My
went
brother
in
reported
front
a
of
dead
me. The blue is the imposter, man. He vented. Blue. Please.
Okay, vote blue. Vote blue.
Yes, blue is the imposter, guaranteed. Oh, why?
My brother can't play actually.
Blue vented. Wait. Blue vented.
Yep, we did it. Pranchu, high five. High five in virtuality. Play again. Press play again and I'll do a high five. Come on.
Okay.
Man,
4 people.
I can't play again. What's going on? My screen is black. Guys. Pranchu?
Okay, means my screen is black.
Pranchu, yaar, I can't see anything. Can you see me? Green, line green. Yeah. But, this one. So, wait, is that me? Pranchu, can you see me?
I am choosing my hat.
Pranchu,
Wait a second.
leave game. I think my Among Us crashed.
Everyone has come, man. Everyone has come. I'm starting my game.
I can't. I was the imposter. What's happening?
The link, it is AYB, TGF, and I have started it. Man, there are 10 people in my game.
Close the door. Head. What is this shit thing? I'm so dead. I can't see anything. What? Defeat? But I was the imposter. How did I become the imposter? No, right? Pranchu!
Write the code.
I can't see anything.
AYB, TGF. AYB, TGF.
I'm closing my Among Us. Okay, you can charge it, my friend. I'm playing Among Us again. It's loading, friend. Wait for at least 10 minutes. So maybe it will work at that time. So let me pause my video right now.
What did you
Or
PC?
now.
My game has already started, man. You are late.
My Among Us is working. Let's play.
Wait for 3 minutes. Wait for 3 minutes. I will come.
Pranchu, the code, I'm giving you a code.
Okay, wait.
Join JYMMCF. JYMMCF.
JYMMCF.
Yeah. Or capital.
Yes, I know.
Yup, Cranberry has joined and he's fully red with his ready jokes. Right?
Where your hat? I can't see it in the hat list. Have you bought a hat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bought a hat.
And where is your hat? I am not able to see it.
I bought a hat.
You have bought it.
I bought it.
Oh, how much for how much?
250 Indian rupees.
You should buy the pet only. You should buy the pet, man.
Yeah,
should
but
buy the
I
pet.
think hats are cooler, even though, yeah.
Oh, increase the speed.
Okay, what's our speed now?
Increase the speed.
Man, you have a lot of speed. Increase the speed. Okay, I should increase the speed, huh? First of all, I need to make something OP first. Let me do it. Why does it take so many clicks to do that? Okay. And then I'm giving you speed, guys. Be careful. Might slip out of your tongues. Okay, how much is that
Player
speed?
speed, yeah.
I'm
It's
making.
very slow. Do it minimum 2.25x. 2.25.
Yeah, don't worry. Doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, done.
Yeah.
Done.
Now it's correct.
Yes, this is the official Among Us thinking, guys. But my game is public. No one is joining. This person won't join too. Hello? Cranberry? Why did you leave the game? Hello?
In my game, there are 10 people. There are 9 people in them. Join my game.
Your game has been over.
XNGFBF.
So you just left it so that I may not play, right?
No, because in your game the people will not come, and in my game there are already 9 people.
Earlier people used to. Okay.
Join my game.
I'll join your game. What's the code?
XNGFBF. XNGFBF.
XNG.
FBF.
Okay, FBS. Do it. Yes, the game has been joined. Make it public, yeah. What? Raju, you have to give me my favorite color. What sort of joker are you? Give it. I hate this color. Hello? I am going to make you mess up.
I did a good joke, man.
Please change it.
Come
Change
here.
it.
Someone to come here. No one is coming,
You said
man.
9
No
people
one.
were here. You said 9 people were here. Better was 3 people over there. Joker, yeah.
They all left.
And why is
They all left at one go.
Man, please give me my
Abbe,
favorite
yaar.
color. Please, I'm so sorry, yaar. I will never do anything with you again. Just please give me my favorite color, man. Yes, now somebody joined. Anushka. Anyway, Cranberry. Anushka even left because she's irritated that you have my favorite color. Give it, please. Yes, he's changing colors, I think, guys. You have to do it, or I'll be really mad at you. Can't you? Yeah, I'm just ending that video off then. Okay, guys, so this was the most intense game in Among Us. And yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, and you got a comment what should be my next video, okay?
And what
So,
are the favorite part of your
yeah. Bye.